Investing needs a serious correction. Trading platforms are being played like slot machines, and ESG, well, it's a start, but it's hardly the answer.
That's why 3 years ago, we set out to create investing with universal appeal, because we believe the future of investing should be effortless and impactful for us all.
We know that 3/4 of millennials are looking to invest for the first time, and 80% of them would rather put their money into sustainable brands. While similarly, Gen Z wants to invest for a better tomorrow in companies with purpose. CIRCA5000 is here to help this rapidly growing community invest in responsible businesses that are good for profits, good for people, and good for the planet. And based on millennials in Europe alone, we estimate a revenue opportunity of £8 billion a year.
We've already raised over £7 million in funding, and just last year we grew our user base by 274%. With this funding round, we'll put our growth plans into action, making investing even more accessible and taking CIRCA5000 to millions of people across Europe.
We have big ambitions for the future, but financial inclusion is fundamental to who we are, which is exactly why we're inviting you to join us and share in the future success of CIRCA5000.